Okay, this is called Rua de Evora. Sign's right over there. Let's just go over there and capture that sign real quick. So this is going to be our focus street right here, Rua de Evora. Lisboa. Kind of cool looking shop. And Rua de Evora right there. So we're going to be checking out this whole street in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So here's Rua de Evora. So we're going to be exploring this street. Just to give you a little context. This is Dr. Sun Yat-sen Avenida. Lots of construction over there. But we're going to be going straight down this way. And then we're going to explore Rua de Evora. Let's go check it all out. Got a hamburger place. Yeah, actually this one there's a big store down here as well. The Royal Ascot. So okay, that's an apartment building. Chong's Medical Center. We're gonna keep on gathering. Car park. Central Medical Faith. Okay, I guess it's a hospital. Okay. Gonna keep on going down. Had a friend that used to live in that apartment building right there. Harvest Palace. A lot of tall buildings everywhere. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down. 7-Eleven. All right. It's a traditional Chinese medicine shop right here. So if you got a cold or anything like that, you can get some Chinese medicine. Okay, so we're still on Rua de Evora. And we're gonna head on down further. Then we're kind of at the cross of Rua de Nam King, right there. And Rua de Evora is right here. Got some banks, got BNU, got that one, and Bank of China. So there's 3 banks right here. Another Japanese restaurant, you got those all over Macau. We're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Parking garage. San Mui. Okay, so we're still gonna keep on walking. We're gonna go to a grocery store in a minute, and the grocery store is probably one of the most popular grocery stores in this area of Taipa because it's so well located. Yet another bank, we call it Chinese bank. Property, eyeglasses. Got a little bit of everything in Taipa. Actually, all the businesses are represented, well represented in here, and the foreign community is pretty decent as well. Okay, it's Rua de Coimbra. We're gonna keep on walking towards our Rua de Evora sign. Yeah, so now we're gonna walk by a very popular supermarket. Over there is a park that's called Flower City. So Flower City has like a lot of kiosks and things like that. So that little area right there is all Flower City. You got like turtles in here, things for kids, like a playground, all kinds of stuff, and all the buildings kind of go around there as well. Fortress. Okay. Fortress, you can buy appliances, basically. It's a chain all over Macau. Parking Shop is the biggest supermarket that's probably the most popular, and it's all over the city, but this is one of them right here. Keep on walking down. So I don't know how much further we'll go down, but we definitely go down to the end of this part. Korean market, so Hanguk Shiktang, Shikpum. So Korean market, Shikpum, and that's Hanguk. Hanguk means Korean in Korean. Gongcha. Cool looking apartment building there. Okay, so we're gonna end this in a minute. And there's always more cool stuff everywhere. So I think I'd rather not walk all the way down. Well, could walk all the way down. So yeah, this is definitely. So that's kind of this whole street right here. That was our focus street. We might actually go down one more because the ending is kind of interesting, I think, because there's a bar there. Playground area. Kind of cool. Okay, so this one is looks like they're doing some loading, moving. More property places, property investment, property, Century 21. There's like four. So Taobao, there's like 4 property places right there, and then a beauty shop and a school. So just go a little bit further, and we'll end this one at the end here. And there's a bar at the end, so we'll just kind of capture that at the end. I don't know if anybody's in front of it or not, but sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't, so we'll see shortly. There's somebody up there. So this is Rua de Evora, Rua de Bragança. Yeah, and there's a bar like right up there, and some good artwork and things like that. So yeah, there it is right there. Got a few people. Hey. Not too bad. We'll end it there.